Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have another video with more custom rubber stamps because I was so excited to get some that I ordered from a couple places. So this one I bought some re-inker, which is used for the self-inker, and then this one has a T with Thompson, and then it has my address on the outside. So that's really cute, and I'm not going to stamp it because I don't want everyone to see my address. But it even has a little metal dot here to show you that this is the back. So that's pretty cool. I like that a lot. I know that's the back, and it's nice that it's in that side because then you can also see it. So I know that when I'm stamping, as long as I can see that, I'm good. And this one too is a self-inker, but I can't show you because it has my address on it, but you can see the font. It's really cute, and it has my address, and like I said, it's self-inking. This is from Simply Stamps, and I'm really gonna like having self-inkers, I think. Kind of funny because they came on the same day, so I'm doing this video on the same day, but I will be posting them on opposite days or on separate days. But it's really cute. So there we go. I have 2 new stamps to mark my when I send out Happy Mail, and I have a re-inker for the stamp. So I know this video is kind of poor because you don't get to see it, but let me stamp this. And I'll just cover up our address. So hopefully you can see that font. I think it's pretty cute. And then let me see what I can do here too, because that's no fun showing you something and not really being able to show you. There we go. Oh, that's cute. So it has Thompson, and then it has Fishers, Indiana 46038, and then above here is my actual address. So that's really cute. I am liking that both. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you guys like it, and I hope that you guys will check out this Etsy store. I will try to remember to leave the information below, but let me tell you the name of it because I don't think I did. It's called 904 Custom, and you can find it at 904 Custom on Etsy or 904custom.com, and it's the numbers 904 Custom. So pretty cute, and I believe they were pretty reasonably priced too. Let me see. Oh, there's no total on here. So, but I believe that they were pretty reasonably priced, and I think that you guys will like them too because they're very easy to use and pretty cool. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.